father was a truck driver, um, ran his own business, and so my mother would say he was in the streets. Um, my mother, church-going lady, sang in the choir. She didn't believe in any one set denomination of religion. Her friends used to say, well, why are you going to the Catholic Church? Or she was Baptist, but she'd go wherever she wanted. She said, there's one God, and no one's going to tell her where, dictate where she wants to go worship. I guess that's where I get my freedom, because nobody, you don't tell me what I'm going to do. I'll do the opposite. I will be free. And that's how I play. I mix all genres of music.
I understand in the Baptist church the music is kind of different than in the Catholic church, right?
Yes, but it's all music, and it could be related.
So I don't know whether we start the whole thing already, but I mean, you speak to like a lot of modern day techno or R&B or whatever producers, and they would go like, hey, our chords, it all goes back to church music in the end.
Okay, which goes back to Africa, the chants, or the plantation. My thing is, everything is related.
When did you learn first about those sort of relations, and when did you realize, hang on, there's something similar here going on? I mean, you learned to play really, really early, right? I don't
deal with realization. I was born with perfect pitch, so anything I hear, I can play. So whatever the gift God gave me, I don't sit and decipher this, or, I just do it. And the way I hear, because everyone has a different way of hearing, so the way I hear, I can hear the relationships. I can hear the same scale or mode in a classical piece. You can find the same mode in a gospel hymn, same mode in an Indian raga, same mode in an Irish ditty, same mode in Scottish ditty, or whatever you want to call it. Same mode in Latin music, African. It's all related. It's how you hear it. And then on hearing and recognizing, oh, yeah, I heard that in a pop song. Same chord progression. Everything is related. I just happen to be able to hear that.
And how about this? I give you another piece, and maybe you see what you're feeling about that. How's that?
Well, I could do with this one, whatever you want.
Okay, or you start with this one, and then we just at the other one. How's that? When you just give me the sign.
Okay.